shaft of the ulna, like we talked about before. The radius, maybe, to its length. Sometimes not, depending on how much muscle definition that there is. But try and feel through the shaft of both of those bones if you can. When we come to the distal end on the thumb side, we're going to find the styloid process of the radius. Best way to find that is to come down into here, into this little, it's called the anatomic snuff box right here.
Oh, sorry.
That's why it's called that.
I know.
Because it holds just the right amount of whatever it is that you want to draw up your nose. And
Snuff.
so, if you go into the snuff box right here, you should be able to palpate the spinous process or the styloid process.
How do you tell the difference between the styloid?
Styloid process of the radius right there. So you can see how it's a spike of bone, just like that. Okay. Same thing as we come down on the ulnar side. We should be able to, not the big bump back here on the dorsum. That's not what we're looking for. We have to come down into the space down in here and push back. Then we feel the spike. Okay, that's the styloid process. Is that spiking?
Ooh, that's cool.
Okay.
Because what is this? Big bump?
Tubercle Lissauer. It's just another bony prominence that we don't need to worry about. We're interested in.
Doesn't that get hurt a lot though?
It gets broken right around there. That
It's not that?
Colles fractures.
It's not that?
No, it's in there. Colles fractures or fractures just proximal to that. Okay? But when we do our goniometric measurements for wrist flexion extension, sagittal plane measurements, we're going to find the styloid process because it's an easily identifiable mark that we line up our goniometer movable arm with. Okay? So there's those two that we will find. Then we're going to move into the wrist. Okay? And the bones we said that we wanted to find were the scaphoid, right? We wanted to find that. We wanted to find the pisiform or pisiform. We want to find the capitate right here. And we can play around with the hamate as well. The hook of the hamate sometimes is a significant bone for localizing pain in the hand. Okay? Look at the hamate.
That's this one little up here.
That's the pisiform.
That's a pisiform. Okay? So we'll try and find those guys. All right? And if we can find those and triangulate, we can navigate our way around the hand. Once again, using a goniometer or using just coarse palpation skills to roughly identify what's going on.
Is the goniometer training next semester?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.